Are you worried about finding a home away from home in UK? We've got just the right fit for you. Situated in the heart of Leicester, UK, Dover Street Apartments offers a selection of various types of rooms such as studio flats, en-suites, and 3, 4, or 5-bedroom accommodation. All the rooms here come with all must-haves such as high-speed Wi-Fi throughout the property, a TV, and comfy double beds for you to relax or get some rest after a long day. The entire property is completely secured with CCTV cameras placed strategically across the building with a key fob entry system. An on-site maintenance team is always available to take care of all your needs. For those who attend de Montfort University, you are at luck. With only a 10 minutes walk from the residence, you'll have plenty of spare time after you're done with your lectures for the day. Also, if you attend the University of Leicester, it takes 20 minutes to reach on foot, with the nearest bus station just a stone's throw away and Leicester train station just a 6 minutes walk away. The Dover Street student accommodation will surely exceed all your expectations. So what are you waiting for? Head to amberstudent.com to make your reservation today.